what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're gonna be doing a nice clean little part today. I'm really excited. Super simple, pretty cost effective, and it'll make the engine bay look nice. I got the EVO 9 MR in the garage, right underneath. I got the sun out today, it's nice. The camera will adjust here. So what you guys are gonna see is I have the OEM heat shield. It was all it was black originally and then kind of rusted. You guys can see that? Well, I got this cool little piece here. Check this out. Look at that. And it's just gonna sit right here and make this thing look so much more aesthetic. Overall, it's a pretty good looking engine bay for, you know, just a little OEM plus. It's not dolled up. A lot of 4G63s get real dolled up. I have some nice intercooler piping, which I really like. Is the engine, it looks good. I did go with the gloss, kind of wish I went with the wrinkle. But still looks pretty good on there. I got the big engine intake filter that looks nice. I would like to do maybe one of those newer hose, the hose right here. I might do something different there. But overall, it's pretty decent and it looks pretty good. Got a black battery, that looks fine. Maybe I'll do an Optima battery, something like that. But let's go ahead and all we're gonna do is pull these off. I did warm up the car, but let's put a little bit of lubricant on these. And then what we'll do is we'll even when we put them back on, we'll paint them to make them look real good to match that. So let's go ahead first and foremost. Let's remove this top heat shield, and I think they're 12s. Let's go ahead and check it out. Yeah, so they're 12s. Okay, we're gonna get all 3 of them off. There's 4 actually. They come off pretty easy. You got to use a little bit of lubricant. So I definitely recommend you put some lubricant on here and warming up the engine for a split second. Don't get it burning hot, but warm it up a little bit. So let me get a ratchet for that. Really tempted to hit this cast manifold with, man, this is not very, yeah, this probably, I wasn't gonna replace this, but man, this is not a good design. I really wanna hit it with some paint. The EVO 9 Turbo is sexy. Look at that thing, that's nice. I almost just wanna be able to see it. It's big. It's a big turbo. It's good size. I'm surprised. Wow. I'm not gonna hit this with paint, even though I really want to. I did that with my CELICA's, the manifold on it. It turned out amazing. So we got this off now. What we're gonna do is grab the new one. It doesn't use all of them. It just uses some. There is that little hook there for the. Let's see here. I think it's gonna mount right there. I don't know if it needs a spacer or not. We'll see how this works. It does actually come with 2 spacers, 2 extended Allen, and then 1 short one. And what we're gonna do is here, here, and here, and blank and blank. And that'll let it. So let's grab it and set it up there and then get this thing mounted. Again, that EVO 9 Turbo is awesome. I can see why people like to make this side look real pretty, but this should look good. Okay, all we gotta do is tighten these now. Using a big old Allen key. This looks good. Yeah, pretty reasonable too. It'd be miserable if you didn't have the extended hardware kit. So I'm glad that because you'd have to actually find a spacer and cut it right, and then also get a black bolt as well as what you wanted. So that looks real good, real good. Let's keep on tightening this last one real quick here. Okay, we're ready for the before and after. Look at that. Wow, that is so much more aesthetic. It blends in, it's perfect. I like that it came with the hardware. It would have been pretty difficult to get hardware for this. It's good, it's black too. It's very nice. Definitely recommend this piece. Small things make a big difference. Overall, it's starting to come together. Engine bay looks good. We're definitely gonna upgrade. I think I'm gonna do a Turbo Smart BOV. I'm currently doing the EVO 10 blow-off valve. The EVO 9 Turbo is really nice and aesthetic, looking good. I'm loving this build. This is a very beautiful build. Remember we did the crash bar right there, that's in gloss black. We have the OEM intercooler, gloss black. Definitely gonna wanna, I do wanna upgrade that to like maybe a Mishimoto one. Engine, everything's looking really good. This is a really nice aesthetic thing. Is there a tray for this? Does anyone have a tray? I kinda wanna get rid of this and maybe do the OEM one and do a nicer, more aesthetic tray. Smaller battery maybe. Again, I did go with the engine. After looking online, there is the direct pipe. I might switch over to that, but this is a good aesthetic look. I like it a lot. Again, it feels so good to have these little nice mods done. It makes a really big difference. I love all the red with the solid black. I think that looks good. Very, very nice upgrade. Compared to buying an expensive manifold, which, you know, the manifold has way more power and whatnot. This is a nice, affordable way to get a little bit cleaner engine bay instead of looking at that rusty old heat shield. Oh, that looks way better. Again, we did the new steering wheel with the carbon fiber and the leather wrap. Huge upgrade. We have the OEM SSL Dore. We got new floor mats. Haven't done the shifter yet. Got the carbon fiber. We got the red LEDs everywhere. Those look amazing. Awesome. Car's looking really good. Still, you know, I'm not the most excited about it, and I don't like go out to drive this because it still sits pretty high. It needs wheel spacers too if I'm gonna run the BBS wheels from factory. It needs brakes. And coilovers, of course, so you know the coilovers. But overall, it's looking good, and it really needs tint. So for me, it's like I'm not gonna take it to show cars yet, or to car shows, because I feel it's not done. But these little things are helping me get along. Even just the black side markers made a big deal. All those little things add up to a really nice aesthetic car that's fun. Like, I feel like I should take the CELICA GTS Turbo. It looks really, really cool. It's all done up over taking the MR right now, but just a little bit tint, the little things I mentioned, and I'll be taking the car shows. I love this. Make sure to like, subscribe, swing by mitch.com. I think I do want to take this one time to the quarter mile and just run it, get a video for that for you guys. You know, that's the stuff I want to see. I love that stuff. So like, subscribe, swing by mitch.com. Hope you guys enjoyed this nice little part here. See you on the next video.